Hi Stampers, it's Gigi with StampFUNatics, and today I have this really cute kit. We just had a kit sale, and if you didn't get to take advantage of that, I hope you still will buy our kits because they're just awesome. When you need quick cards and you don't have time to stamp or stamp much, these are the things that you want to go to. You don't have to think about creating a card. It's already done for you, and they even have matching envelopes, so they're really impressive to give. So today I'm going to show you all three of these cards and how I put them together really quickly. So the name of the kit is the Brightest Birthday Kit. This is a great one to have on hand. Okay, so the first one that we're going to do is this cute one that has all these balloons and a present, and inside says enjoy your day. Now you can put whatever sayings you want inside your cards. This one comes with a lot of stamps, and these are the stamps that you'll see. They come in different languages, but the one that I have is English, and it has the happy birthday, birthday wishes, celebrate, enjoy your day, stars, balloons, just very festive. So let's get the first one going. And I'm going to take these other ones and just put them over to the side so I don't get them inky. And I can just leave this one out to see what I did. Okay, so the first one comes with a yellow card base, which I've already folded, and just give it a crease with your bones folder. And then I have all the pieces that we're going to need. You get the front card, and we're going to use this first. You get some of the balloons that are already pre-cut, and they have little stars on them. And then there's a balloon stamp that you get. And the color in this set is the Azure Afternoon. You always get an ink spot too, so you'll have the ink that you need. I'm going to save this for another project, and I already have this as one of my inks, so I'm going to use that one instead. So I'm just going to take my balloon, and this is the one that gets the blue. Let me make sure I stamp it good. And it's going to be on this short one. And just let the ink release and then bring it up. Okay, and then that's all the stamping we need. Well, no, that isn't the stamping we need to do. We have stars. There is this cute little star stamp. I'm inking that up. I have too much ink. Let me do that a little lighter. And we're just going to put it over the blue. And it'll have the stars just like that one. Okay, let me close that up. Now, on the present, there are these three that you get. I've already used two of them. So you're just going to peel off very gently the present, and you're going to lay it over the box. And it's going to go just like that. And then these three, we're going to get some dimensionals, and they come in your kit. And put one on each. And I'm going to put the green one over here. So cute and easy. I'm going to put this burgundy one over here, or purple maybe. And the orange one goes down there. And then we also get, let me find them because I probably buried them, yes. These little embellishments, and I'm just going to take my little pokey tool, and I'm going to take one of the orange ones and put it up here, a dark blue, and there, and a light blue, just to give it a little sparkle and pizzazz. Now, you can always add anything else that you want to these. This is just the basic kit, which I'm doing. I'm not changing anything. You want to put 5 of these dimensionals, one in each corner and one in the middle so it doesn't, sink in. Just take all the backings off. And then we're going to take the front of the card, which is the yellow, and we're just going to center it and push down on those dimensionals that you had. And that's it for the outside. Now the inside, I use the saying, enjoy your day. So let me get that. Get my ink. Ink that up. And I'm just gonna put that right down like that. And that's the first card. All right, so you get 3 of those. So we have those 3 done. Oops. And we'll go to the next one. Okay, the next one is this birthday wishes. You're going to get a blue card base, cute little candles on the envelope. You're going to get 1 white and 1 gold that we're going to put our birthday wishes on. So let's go ahead and ink that up. Let's get that straight. Put our birthday wishes. And then on the back, you're just going to put 2 dimensionals on either end. And all of this, I just wanted to tell you, is in your directions. I'm just doing a quick video to show you piece by piece, but it'll show you, like here we're on the birthday one, and it'll show you to stamp. It'll show you the 5 on the back of the card, and the 2 that we're doing to adhere it onto here. And then this is going to use our tear and tape to attach to the card. So first let's put this on. Get these out of the way. Put that on to the middle. Try to get it straight. And then a piece of tear and tape on the back. Because we've already popped it up, this part, and you don't want to make it too thick because then it's hard to go through the mail. So this part will be flat on the card. Okay, I'm going to take this and put it right along the bottom, sort of in the middle. Put our little embellishments on. So for this one, I'm going to put an orange one. Oh, these little things love to travel. And a light blue. And then maybe a dark blue up here. And that's exactly how it looks on the directions. So I really didn't change anything. I'm just making it just like it says. You can always take these parts, you can change them up, you can add some of your own stamps and make it any way you want, but it's a great base for what you want to do, and you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You can just add to it and make it even better. What I might do on this one too, you have these pretty gold flames, is maybe take some Wink of Stella, which is just a glitter, and maybe put a few on here. And that way they'll look glittery. Now you're not gonna be able to see it in my light, but that's a great idea for doing for a little extra sparkle. Okay, then on the inside of this one, I said enjoy your day. So let me get that one. And I'm just gonna do that. Ooh, I got a little too inky there. Hang on. My ink pad's pretty juicy. And then I also added, they had the little star. So I also added a little star. I thought it was cute. And inside, nope, that one I didn't do anything with. So that is your second card already. Okay, now for our last card, we have this cute little ice cream cone. This would be a great card to send maybe with, you know, Ben & Jerry's or one of the ice cream places, even one of the yogurt places, to put a gift card inside. But this one I said celebrate, and I put the star inside, and let me show you the pieces we need for this. So we have a nice striped card base. Then we have these stars. Put that up there. We're gonna put 3 of our dimensionals down the cone. Oops, too many. And put that on the card first. Right in the middle. Then we're going to stamp our saying happy birthday, and it's in a curved stamp. So I'm just going to straighten that, put that right down the middle, and then I'm going to take the back and put a dimensional on either end because we're going to go over the cone. Bring our cone in, and these 2 dimensionals will go on either side so it doesn't make it too bulky. Okay, then we're going to pop up our card. So we're going to do the same thing, put about 5 of our dimensionals. backs off of these. Give this a good crease. And then center this. Press down on your dimensionals. And on the inside of this one, I said celebrate. So let me get the stamp that says celebrate. I'm gonna just stamp that right in the middle. And then I did do a little star. And I put one of the little lighter embellishments right inside the star. You can use anything you want. You could use a rhinestone or a pearl or anything else, or you could just leave it blank the way it is. But that's our 3 cards. We're already done. So I have already, what I find easy when I have a kit is to do an assembly. Like I'll do all of my card bases, I'll crease, and then I get all of the pieces punched out. So I have one for each of the cards. And then I look at the directions and I'll do one, and then I just follow along. So those are our 9 cards that you get with this kit. Again, it is such a wonderful kit. I'm so excited about it. And let me show you what I had left over. I did have a leftover one of these that I had to stamp on, one of these. Just in case I make a mistake, I can always do another one. And they even gave me one of these in case I messed up. So I could even make another card out of that and do it on whatever card color I want to use. So that's cool too. So the name of this kit again, let me get back to the outside, is Brightest Birthday Kit. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, you can order this kit from me at StampFUNatics.com. And I appreciate you staying with me today and watching me to put this through. Get all your parts together, and then you can turn this video on and watch it, and you don't even have to look at the directions or change it up whatever way you want. Have a great day. Thanks, and give me a thumbs up. Bye.